Welcome back to Doobrey's Day. Today on Doobrey's Day, we're going to do a quick review of some useful tool I've recently found. Let's go, guys. So guys, in my last video you saw me having fun with my new mill there, and one thing I wanted to share with you is a little device, a little digital level that I've found on the internet, because it's been incredibly useful with setting up that mill, but also with adjusting the power hammer to make sure it was level. So this is from a company called Trend Routing Technology, and we'll just stand it up so you can see it. Trend Routing Technology, and it's a digital level box. Now, as you can see from the picture, you can adjust it horizontally and vertical. It will give you the angle that the box is sitting on. So let me just open it up and show you what you get in the packaging, and then let's give it a little bit of a try. So the packaging is really quite straightforward. You get the actual digital level box. You get a little case. Inside of the case you get, quite simply, a battery. So I didn't realise this when I first got it, so I put a battery in there. That's a little battery, and that's it. So the device is really straightforward. You've got on, off and a 0 button, and it's magnetic. So if I take it to the mill and I stick it on top of there and I turn it on, and you can see my mill is 0.5 degrees out, and it needs to go up on the left hand side. So what I did is I tried it on various parts of the mill. So as you can see, my vise is 1.3 degrees out, which is quite a lot for a mill, so I can adjust that using some other devices I've got. And then over at the power hammer, I've noticed that when I'm forging, it's going to the side, and you can clearly see that that is 1.5 degrees out on this side. So if I lift this side up ever so slightly, that's quite a lot. So down here where I'm actually going to be forging, it means that this side is a bit low, so the work comes across to this side. So a bit of a problem. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use that to adjust not only the mill, but also the power hammer. What's also good about it is, that you can put it on the side. So clearly that needs to be 90 degrees, which indicates again how far out it is going plumb. So yeah, great little device that. You can stick it anywhere. So I can stick it on my anvil. As you can see, my anvil is almost 0.1 degrees out of being level. So absolutely fantastic. So guys, that's just a really quick review of the digital level box. It's not like a huge device or anything like that, but somebody might find it useful. I think it's brilliant. You can just adjust it, and you can see adjust it, and it adjusts left and right, and the angle adjusts there accordingly. I'll do a link to it down below, so if you're after one, go and pick one up. Thanks so much for watching Doobrey's Day, guys, and we'll catch you next week. Cheers then, bye!